we just arrived. We're at the Art of Animation. We are staying for this trip. We are staying in the Art of Animation Little Mermaid rooms. I'm so excited because this has been on my bucket list forever, and every time that we've come here, we either had too many people, or one time we booked this and they actually upgraded us to the Lion King. So this is actually the perfect trip for this because this trip is just me and my 2-year-old daughter Lucia. So let's do a quick room tour. Do you like your room? Alright, so you can see there are 2 beds here. The theming is just so amazing. Look at even the curtain rods here. I don't know if that's what, I guess they would be curtain rods. They look like little bubbles. We're actually gonna close these because it's nighttime. But yeah, the theming in this room is just amazing. So we have the thermostat over here. We have the light fixture on the bed. It looks like little bubbles. We have behind the door here, there's an octopus that has a little coat hanger, so that is very awesome, especially if you're coming with a lot of kids. You got to hang up jackets and all that. We have a little table when you walk in here. I mean, the theming is just, they did such a great job on here. So they have the under the sea lyrics. There, you can't, you know, this is just printed right onto the table. Yeah, the mirror. So we have Flounder and Sebastian. We've got a Hey Disney, which is just like basically like the Alexa, and you can turn it off if you do not want it in your room. Totally fine. So we have a nightstand with the Bible. We have some outlets here, and it looks like some more. So we have outlets here, and then we also have some outlets. Looks like an USB port right here on the nightstand. This is my crazy daughter. This is not your imagination. This is that picture is meant to be crooked on the wall, but very, very cute. I just love this. So we have your fridge, which this is awesome because a lot of the hotels now are upgraded, or a lot of the mini fridges have been replaced with beverage coolers. This says beverage, calls it a beverage cooler. Okay, so maybe this is a beverage cooler. So you got to be careful with stuff like this. Keeping milk, yogurt, and all that, because it does go bad. We learned that the hard way a few trips ago. We didn't know that. And then it looks like we have 3 drawers. We have an ironing board over here. There's some more outlets. It looks like. We have some extra pillow, blanket, hair dryer. We have a safe over here. This is like interesting because I guess because of the size of the room, I've never seen such a low closet before. And yeah, they don't have like an actual separate closet, and it's fine for us, just me and my daughter. So I think we're gonna put just the luggage on one side of the room. This is the bathroom. So we have a toilet, garbage can. There's some more hooks here. I was waiting for this. Oh my gosh, yeah. Look at this theming. Alright, so we have the shower curtain. Look. I mean, this is, the only complaint is I wish that they would have like bigger rooms for the Little Mermaid. They kind of cheaped her out here. Made her have the smallest rooms because everyone wants to stay in these. So in here, it's like decorated like her little cave that she collects all her thingamabobs. We have we're now calling it the Disney Resort. not the H2O, so it looks like we're getting rid of the H2O name now. I believe that I heard somewhere that another company bought them out, so I don't know if they're just gonna, or maybe Disney bought them out because everyone likes their products so much. Some more outlets. So yeah, the bathroom's actually fairly good size, believe it or not. I feel like they could have even made it smaller for other hotel rooms that I've been in. They definitely could have made the bathroom smaller and gave like more room to the inside of the hotel. But yeah, it's super cute. Definitely great for small families or single people, if you know, for just you and your spouse or whatever. Just very, very cute theme. All right, I just finished giving Lucia a bath, my daughter. Two things I just wanted to point out. One is I don't remember if I pointed this out last night, but they have a little kid shower. Lucia is 2, and actually it was perfect for her. She loved it. She was running the shower while she was taking a bath this morning. It was great. So your kids might like that, might enjoy it. To have, I've never seen like anything like that at any hotel I've ever been in. So that was really cool. Two downsides I found about this room. Okay, the adult shower head, which you're not going to be able to tell probably from the video, it was very like, I felt like it was on the lower side. So if you're like a tall male, or maybe you're a very tall female, you might have issues with that. Well, I don't know, like obviously it's all the way down, but I felt like it should have been higher for some reason. I don't know. This is the first time I've ever noticed a low one. It didn't bother me. I'm like 5'4", but that just might be something that you might want to consider. And then I don't know what's up with these outlets. I was able to use the hair dryer in there, but my curling iron plug would not fit in there. And that's it. Those are my only 2 problems with this hotel. So I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. Let me know in the comments if you have an upcoming stay here. Leave me a fish emoji or a little mermaid emoji. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.